Good evening, everyone. Back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. We have a puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, September the 21st, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles in this puzzle page. The first one is tectonic. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars and 4 stars. Sudoku with 2 stars. Sudoku with 3 stars. And the last one is the killer Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And for tomorrow, I've told you earlier in the weekend edition, we have no extra puzzles, no additional for the Sunday. So only the Samurai Sudoku I will solve tomorrow. Alright, the first one, the 4 star Sudoku, will be number 9311. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Yeah, 25. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 26. Well, correction, 24. We have here 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars Sudoku, 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright, 2. Let me see. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, okay. 9. Alright. About 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7. Need a 7 here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 7. Well, need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have 2 in this row, second row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there in this big square. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this last column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2. Okay. 5 and 8. Alright. Come on. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. 8 and 3. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes in there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 4, I need 8. Alright, need 8 there, need 8 there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in this row. No 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. Okay, 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, and 1 need 8. Okay, and now need the 3 here, need a 3 there. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there, okay. 6 and a 3. I'm thinking. Need a 2 here. Need 8 here. Ooh, yeah. I'm thinking. How about 8, 8. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column and the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. Now, let me see. 4, 4. Need an 8. Need a 1. 1. How about the number 3, 3. 5, 5. Come on, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 5. 5. Need a 2, 5. Need a 4. Come on. 3, 4, and 1. 4 and 1. 3 and 1. 3, 3. Come on, come on. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Overlooked. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so 2, 2. We have a pair, I believe. No, not a pair. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Yeah. 1, 8. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Come on, need a 9 there. So the 9 should be here. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the third column is number 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the third column could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. Another 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. Alright. Then, let me see. How about? Need a 5 here. 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. Well. Need a 3 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. Come on. 5. Yeah. 4. Need a 2 there. I'm thinking 2, 2. Need a 2 here also. Need a 7 there. Well, we have a pair, the 7 and the 9 in the first row, the 7 and the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So here we have 1, 8, and need a 5 here. Yeah. In the third row, we need a 5, so the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. I need a 5 here. 2 numbers left there. This big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4, 8, and 1. Well, in the second row, we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the second row should be here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright. 1 box left now in the first row for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 4 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. The 4 and the 9 in this row, the 4 and the 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Two numbers left now in the first column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. Alright. 1 box left now in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. Yeah. The 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 5. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means in the middle column, the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Okay. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the only 2 places left for the 5 in the middle column. Could be here, could be there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 1 and 8. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We have an 8 now in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 1 goes there. The 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes and with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and the 8. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars. No, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 3 stars. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.